Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of iDempiere learning. In this video we will talk about business partner. Okay, how we can create business partner in iDempiere and what is the use of business partner window. Okay, business partner is basically a entity, we can say entity with whom we are going to interact. Okay, we are as a system, we are as a company going to transact with. Okay, suppose I have a company and I have a business with another company like Amazon. Okay, and I want to sell something on Amazon. Okay, so I can create a business partner in iDempiere. Okay, and using I can create business partner in iDempiere for Amazon. Okay, and using that business partner I can create orders. Okay, I can create orders or invoice for billing. Okay, for Amazon. Okay, so business partner maybe customer or vendor or employee, it could be anything. Okay, in short, business partner is an entity with whom an organization transact. Okay, let's check how we can create business partner in iDempiere. Okay, so let's log in. Okay, in the last video we have created our own company. Okay, our own company in the system. In that company we are going to create one business partner. Okay, so let's click on login. Okay, so this is the user login. Okay, I want to log in the YouTube admin. Okay, so select role. Here I have to select role admin. Okay, okay. uh, for creating business partner, simply search business partner. Okay, and click on OK. Let's add this business partner window in the favorite. Okay, so you can see there are already some business partner already created in the system. This is the standard business partner uh, which come in core iDempiere. Okay, this is basically already exist business partner. Okay, here you can see YouTube business partner also created and one more business partner created for user. Okay, so let's create one more business partner. Okay, suppose let's create Google. Okay, so here we have to select a business partner group and have to give business partner name here. Okay, business partner group, basically it in the core iDempiere it has only one group, that is standard group. Okay, we can create as many as group we want. Okay, we could create a group for our employee or a group for customer or anything. Okay, we can create group for anything. Okay, okay, let's create one group and let's give name like a partner. Okay, partners. Okay, set business partner group as a partners. Okay, and here we have to check that if this Google Inc. business partner is our customer, vendor, employee, sales representative, or prospect. Okay, we are company as a YouTube. Okay, we have created this client in the previous video. You can check this video how we can configure and create client in the iDempiere. Okay, here you can see YouTube and organization or YouTube. Okay, let's click on prospect. Okay, we can set a customer also. Okay, there are few more fields available when we check this customer field. Okay, and we can pass all the information, customer related information here, customer information. Okay, we can see as we can create a business partner as a vendor also. There are also some extra field when we check this vendor field. Okay, here you can see this is the extra field. This is the extra field when we uh, check this vendor flag. Okay, and employee, if you want, if this business partner is our employee, then we can check this field. Okay, I'm creating perspective. Okay, like this we can create a business partner in iDempiere. Okay, here some extra detail we can store, like name to. Okay, if we have name to, and search key, we can give search key as we want. Okay, suppose let me give Google as a search key. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, so we have created one business partner. Here we can define user for the business partner. Okay, this user is basically unique user in the system. Okay, this could be a internal user, and there could be internal user or business partner user. Okay, so we can have as many as user for this business partner. Okay, let's create one user for our Google business partner. Let's create like Google. Okay, here we can give description for the user and email address. We can pass email address here. Okay, we can add a partner location here. Okay, and we can add greetings, birthday, and phone number, everything detail we can store here. Okay, here you can see interest area. This interest area basically used for the campaign purpose. Okay, here you can see BP access. Let's check another sub tab, which is location. Here we can create as many as location for the business partner. Okay, business partner could have multiple location. Okay, so let's create one location here. Simply give location name here, US. Okay, address, we can pass address here, 110 B Street Road. Okay, and let's give city name, anything like a city. Okay, and we can select any state here from here. Okay, and we can pass zip code here. Okay, 01111. Okay, anything, and simply click on save. We can create one or more location for this business partner. Okay, here we can give bank account detail for this business partner, whether it is HCS or card detail. Okay, so this account name is mandatory here. Let's check another sub tab. Here you can see shipping accounts. Okay, this sub tab holds all the detail about shipping account. Okay, and it has a customer accounting and vendor account. Okay, like this we can create a business partner in iDempiere. Okay, so hope you guys like the video, and subscribe the channel.